Hello, APSC PYQA Part A, Year 2008, Question 1 to 24, Paper 1, General Studies होगा अपन लोग को स्वागतम। Question number 1. Purna Swaraj resolution was adopted by the Congress in A 1921, B 1928, C 1903, D 1918. The correct answer is B 1928. Question number 2. The Earth's shape most closely resemble A basketball, B a pear, C a ping pong ball, D an apple. The correct answer is A the basketball. Question number 3. The envelope of air in contact with the Earth's surface is called A. The atmosphere, B. The stratosphere, C. The homosphere, D. The troposphere. The correct answer is B. The stratosphere. Question number 4. How are latitude and longitude lines drawn on the globe of Earth? A. Latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the equator. B. Longitude lines are parallel and latitude lines meet at the equator. C. The latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the poles. D. Longitude lines are parallel and latitude lines meet at the poles. The correct answer is C. Latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the poles. Question number 5. What are the two most abundant elements by mass found in Earth's crust? A. Aluminium and iron. B. Sodium and chloride. C. Calcium and carbon. D. Oxygen and silicon. The correct answer is D. Oxygen and silicon. Question number 6. Which radioactive isotope is the most useful for nuclear power generation? A. Uranium 238. B. Uranium 235. C. Carbon 14. D. Rubidium 87. The correct answer is B. Uranium 235. Question number 7. Which planet takes more time to complete one revolution on its axis than to complete one revolution around the sun? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is B. Venus. Question number 8. Energy is transferred from the sun to earth mainly by A. Molecular collisions in the atmosphere, B. Ultraviolet radiation, C. Infrared radiation, D. Visible light. The correct answer is C. Infrared radiation. Question number 9. As an object falls freely through air, the kinetic energy of the object A decreases, B increases, C does not change, D becomes zero. Correct answer is B increases. Question number 10. The third most abundant gas in the atmosphere is A argon, B carbon dioxide, C helium, D hydrogen. The correct answer is A argon. Question number 11. The obnoxious smell near a pulp and paper mill is due to A carbon dioxide, B hydrogen sulfate, C organic sulfate compounds, D aromatic hydrocarbons. The correct answer is B hydrogen sulfate. Which are the four most abundant elements in living cells? A carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. B carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. C carbon, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. D carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, and magnesium. The correct answer is B carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Question number 13. Most cell membranes are composed principally of A DNA and ATP, B proteins and lipids, C cytin and starch, D nucleotides and amino acids. The correct answer is B proteins and lipids. Question number 14. Because the gene for homophilia is located on the X chromosome, it is normally impossible for a carrier mother to pass and gene to her son, B a hemophilic father to pass the gene to his daughter, C the carrier mother pass the gene to her daughter, D the hemophilic father to pass the gene to his son. The correct answer is D a hemophilic father to pass the gene to his son. Question number 15. Presence of fluoride in drinking water is associated with A mottling of teeth, B dental fluorosis, C skeletal fluorosis, D all of the above. The correct answer is D all of the above. Question number 16. Identify the national highway connecting Guwahati with Shillong. A. National Highway 37, B. National Highway 40, C. National Highway 31, D. National Highway 39. The correct answer is B. National Highway 40. Question number 17. The occurrence of oil seepage in Assam's Buridihing at Saphong in 1825 was recorded by A. Robert Bruce, B. Sir Goodenius, C. Leut R. Wilcox, D. Venier Ilwin. The correct answer is C. Leut R. Wilcox. Question number 18. Kitab al-Hind, Geography of India, was written by A. Al-Barauni, B. Ibn Singh, C. At-Batani, C. D. Claudius Ptolemy. The correct answer is A. Al-Barauni. Question number 19. Huyen Tsang visited Assam Kamrupa in 640 AD. He was received by the king. A. Kumar Bhaskara Burma, B. Bhagadatta, C. Kumar Rudra Barmana, D. Swargadev Rudra Singha. The correct answer is A. Kumar Bhaskara Burman. Question number 20. Barak or Surma River of Kachar originates from A. Karbi Anglong, B. Manipur, C. Tripura, D. Khassia Jaintia or Meghalaya. The correct answer is B. Manipur. Question number 21. With Maniram Devan was hanged, A. From Ali, B. Pioli Phupon, C. Pioli Borua, D. Dutiram Borua. The correct answer is C. Pioli Borua. Question number 22. Year 1894 is related to A. Pathurigat revolt, B. Fulguri Dhawa, C. A. Rongya revolt, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Pathurigat revolt. Question number 23. Mihira is the author of A. Ganita Sala Sangraha, B. Sulba Sutra, C. Pancha Sadhanitika, D. Trisatika. The correct answer is C. Pancha Sadhantika. The question number 24. Sewa Jai Singh erected 5 astronomical observatories, of which one is at Delhi, one is at Jaipur, and another one is at A. Prayag, B. Udaipur, C. Ajmer, D. Ujjain. The correct answer is D. Ujjain. Question number 25. 1836 was crucial in case of Assamese language and literature because A. Assamese was started as official language of Assam. B. Bengali was introduced as official language of Assam. C. First Assamese novel was published. D. First Assamese magazine was published from the Calcutta or Calcutta. Correct answer is B. Bengali was introduced as official language of Assam. Thank you for watching my video.